Mamma Jamma.
You having fun?
Always having fun. I'm outside.
Yeah.
It's nice here. We should have our soup here.
That's beautiful scenery, eh?
Yeah, you know, shots on my big camera.
The sky is just gorgeous. It's ominous.
It's still chilly, but it's not bad.
Yeah, it is cold.
Not bad. I think that Chinook or whatever's supposed to be coming in is coming in. Some tracks over here I want to take a look at.
Okay. Well, I'm coming out. Hold on. Clearing a spot for lunch?
Sorry?
You clearing a spot for lunch?
Wanted to have the field of grass again. No, just a little bit. Right in here.
Right in here? I think that's pretty, eh?
Get a beautiful view.
Ah, it is very nice.
Okay. Watch out.
Heating up the soup for Paul and I right now. I made it actually last night before we came out. I like doing that just because preparation is key when you're out in the cold, right, Paul?
Absolutely.
And it is 100% made from scratch, this soup, so hopefully it's good.
For those people who don't make turkey soup, what did you put in it?
To remember it all, I put, your main ingredient obviously is the turkey, and I make my own base by boiling the bones and the carcass from the turkey that we had at Christmas time. So that's your base of the soup. I've got tomatoes, I've got carrots, celery, spinach, rice, lentils, I mean, just about everything in it. Your spices, salt and pepper. I like sage because that's a turkey kind of spice, so I throw in a bit of sage, and yeah, and it makes a wonderful pot of soup. I also made buns last night and put hamburger and cabbage inside the bun. That's one of Paul's favorites. He's German, so they eat that kind of stuff, and so I made it for him. And they're good with a pot of soup. Really good. Yeah, turkey soup is very fitting for a winter outing in the afternoon.
We're supposed to get up to single digits next week. Like, I can't believe that.
Single digits, yeah.
6 degrees is what I've seen. And I'm like, it was just minus 40 and we're going up to plus 6. That's crazy. And I think next weekend we're going to probably go to an RV show. They're starting to pop up now. And Not that we're interested in anything. We just like to go see what the newest and the latest and greatest things are.
Like the gadgets and how you can improve your own unit, right?
Yeah. Well, just even the carpets or whatever.
Yeah.
All the doodads and doohickeys and thingamajigs. And that's what we're all about. So.
The doohickeys.
Another fine little lunch in the mountains. So there's some purple cabbage in there. Usually cabbage is normal, but this one's a little purplish.
It's called purple cabbage.
It's hamburger with purple cabbage, I guess. Normally we have it with regular cabbage.
Regular cabbage, yeah.
And look at that soup. Just goodness all around.
Yeah, it's all goodness. Is it hot enough? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, I'll enjoy.
Bon appetit.
Yeah, that's deep, eh? It makes you right off balance, eh?
What was that?
That might have been my phone. It says we get no service, but all of a sudden we get service. What is that? Looks like a
Animal product or something. Beet? Onion?
I was gonna say coconut, but
That's an onion.
it's an onion. Looks like a coconut.
They lost their onion. Yeah, it might be easy to try.
Crunching through the snow. It's where Paul and I hiked up, right up that hill.
Yeah, right to the top and back. No. I'm having trouble walking this far. I want to see this rub on this tree. Looks like a rub. Maybe not.
I don't know. No. I don't think so, eh?
Well, it's pretty smooth. Yeah, might just be dead.
Yeah, I think so.
Pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Let's see what kind of tracks we got here. My track and your track.
I see a big Sasquatch track.
This would be a perfect shelter place.
Yeah, that would be nice, eh?
So quiet.
It is quiet around here.
Walking in that deep snow is pretty hard to do though, eh?
It is. It's
Like I feel muscles
workout.
I haven't felt before.
Yeah.
Probably because I'm in such great shape.
Me too. All I'm thinking about is a good afternoon nap.
Yeah. Bring your sleep bag. Put it underneath the tree.
Yeah.
Wake up in spring.
Wake up in spring. Exactly. That's deep snow.
If you go to that
deep.
clearing, you'll probably see moose.
Yeah, I don't know if I really want to see moose, Paul.
Yeah, we're okay. We got bear spray. We finally remembered to bring our bear spray, which is good.
Funny man, funny man.
Looks like a great skidoo track though.
Yeah, it looks like you could have
Tracks
fun.
we have.
Ooh. Looks like you could have fun with those. It's hard walking though. We should have taken our snowshoes.
Yeah, they're in my feet.
I know, I got mine too. Because this is really deep snow.
Not exercise until we do this.
Whew.
Open pit.
Do not step open pit below. Yeah, don't do that. That'd be very stupid.
Light filtering.
That's all we walked. right there. That's all we walked, and we're beat. Come on, Paul.
Have to go back for another bowl of soup.
What's that? Is that just the tree? The base of the tree? Right over there, Paul?
I don't know what you're looking at. But
I don't know, but it looks like an animal moving, and I'm getting a little bit freaked out.
where?
Right? If you go straight to that line of trees, and
That
there's...
big pine tree in the middle? Or is
No.
that too far?
No, it's up further. It's off here. It's right there. Right,
No.
there's like 3, and there's a black thing at the base of the
That's
tree.
what you're doing.
No. Let's not take a look.
Come on.
No, I don't want to know what it is. My eyes are playing tricks on me, and I don't like the trick it's playing. It looks like it's moving, Paul. And honestly, I'm getting a little bit freaked out. You don't see it? Okay. Well, you're gonna see it when it starts running towards you.
Have to outrun you.
Yeah, Paul, now I don't see it, so it's obviously moved.
There's nothing there.
There's something there.
Nope.
Okay. I really don't think you should go.
Well, we got half the distance to the deep end.
No, I won't be running. I can't run in this stuff.
I'll be like the snow thrower.
Jesus. No, it's crazy to go if I think there's something there.
It'll be just scared to see you. A lot of tracks in here, though.
Oof. Yeah.
Nothing big. Maybe. A few moose tracks, maybe.
Huh?
Can you show me where you see what?
Okay, well, never mind. If you don't see it, it's fine. I just don't think it's safe.
Okay, look at this. The most terrifying animal of the forest are these tracks. Can you guess what they are?
Bunny?
Nope.
What are they?
Squirrels.
Squirrels?
Yep.
Okay. Are you sure you don't see it? See the little lone tree
in front of me.
right in front of you?
Yeah.
Go up diagonally to that
Yeah,
set of
the
tree
next
that's kind
two.
of in the middle of there.
There's nothing there.
Are you sure?
It's weird to see this one pine tree caught my attention. It's all the snow that was on it's all shaken off. No tracks around it. It's weird. It's almost like it went burr and shook itself off. Really weird. We made it.
That was tough. That was a workout.
We thought there was some wheezing type of animal, but it turned out to be me. I don't think I could survive very long out here. You know, I think maybe we're spoiled a little bit.
Yeah, city spoiled.
We got to get exercising again. It's the new year. We got to lose some poundage, or at least
Absolutely.
I do for sure.
No, I do too. I need to get back in shape, that's for sure.
What a workout though. Just that little bit of walking in snow that it's hard, it's packed, and it goes soft, and yeah, it's taxing on the body, but we did it.
Yeah.
So next weekend, guys, we're gonna go to the RV show like I mentioned earlier, and till then, we will see you on the next one. So I want to just say that thank God I have a partner that will, you know, still muster the challenges of being out in the cold. It's not for everybody. I've been in the trades for how many years now? 25, 26 years now. And yeah, it's you get acclimatized to cold, and it's not for everybody. And especially when you're cold intolerant, I can only imagine what it must feel like. But kudos kudos to her for giving it out, the effort, and getting out here. It's fun for all of us, but sometimes the weather does play a key factor in it. She's so cute when she gets stuck. Told ya.
It's always fun.
Need to jinx it, but it looks like we're gonna get some snow here.
Yeah, it does look that way, eh? It looks a little on the misty side.
Surprised me. Every time it seems to warm up, you get snow.
Yeah, go figure.